Mommy, look at my pink spot going. Mom, come look at my pink spot. Mom. You're not going straight. Look at them.
Those are cute.
Mommy, let's do a black and a gray. Grandpa might get the black from last time
What?
Remember you're going to get some stuff and put it
Yeah, mine
at
was mine.
Fargo? Remember?
Where?
Fargo was us. You're still
But you gotta write down what it is, because I'm not gonna remember.
I know.
You gotta write it down so I can read it.
Okay. White thing! It's shaking down. There's, Mom, I got 2 oranges for larvas. Yay! 2 orange hexbug larvas and 1 blue. At first I thought one was green, but it was orange. It's already open. Holy, it's skinny.
Let's see that manicure set.
I'm gonna label this one my second one.
Let's see that manicure set.
This one works too, but the batteries seem a little more dead. Cool, he works really good at the larva. And the green one.
Ooh, we even have a grandpa tool clipper.
Oh, I got another one. It went to sleep. They go to sleep.
Grandpa tool clipper.
Can I open it? I'll open it.
No. Wow, that's a nice one, actually. Got everything you can need in there.
Aww, it's so cute. Do you have them already? No.
To where I have no idea. But yeah, doesn't have one, right?
I'm gonna put all my stuffed animals up in my room, okay?
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Mom?
Oh.
Beautiful
What?
picture. Wow. Actually, I think I want that.
No.
Yeah.
They're just sitting there. Where's the blue one? Oh, it's way over there. There's the other orange one. Now my blue I'm opening. Whoa, that was going on its back. The blue one. The tank pot. See? Wait. Oh, it's not anymore. You missed it. I missed it. The blue. No, I wanna go in here with all my stuff crawling around.
Ew, it looks like you. By termites. Daddy.
I can open all these. Green. That. The orange scarab. Well, I didn't get the Christmas Hexbug Nanos, the green scarab, or the 2 Trek bots, but we're gonna go next week and see if they're still there. I know the Christmas ones won't be. Whoa! What did you get from them? Just second one was out there. I really like these Xbox cameras. I hope I can get more, and I hope Grandpa can get the
Hope I can get more.
Well, Grandpa hasn't went to dress yet.
Grandpa didn't buy any more this year.
It flips over. It's like a Skinner pot, people. See? Oh my gosh. It's gonna run dead really fast, people. Oh, and they're loud. It's stuck already. Ugh. It's going out of the room. Sorry. Yeah, thank you for the legendary Yep. Thank you for the legendary Skylander set. You're welcome. I really like it. I want it. Good.
Yeah, these are really good, so be careful.
Okay. Theater bot. I'm gonna do now.